we have new ideas. Whoa, 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 whoa! As you look at the track, it's a little loose, but that's not the problem here. The reason why it's loose is half of its track has split in half, so we're gonna have to replace that. Yep, just picked up some fresh rubbers. They look pretty good. Getting ready to go put them on the skid steer. We loosened the tracks up, let all the grease out. I'd say that's probably good. Just tilt down. Yep, keep going. Keep going. A little more. Whoa, that's good. Try that. We put some blocks underneath it. Now he's just gonna tip his bucket down some more. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't like how the blocks are like that, but we can jack it up in the back some more. We got her all up on jacks now. It looks pretty safe. A lot better than how we had it before. Okay, you got it in the H pattern. He's just gonna run it forward. Hold on while I try to. Okay, go for it. Come on, Bessie. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try and get it up here. Go. I'm gonna want you to go backwards. Hold on, hold on. Forwards. Okay. Go back. Whoa, whoa. Okay, try it again. Oh, wait. Okay, try it again. Try it again. Whoa. Okay, try it again. Yep. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Okay, whoa. Okay. Keep going. Go back. Okay, keep going. Okay. No, not quite. Try. Actually, I might be able to get it. I got it. Yeah, you're good. You can shut it off now. You just grab the front and maybe we can slide it out. Okay, this bottom idler is what we're having troubles on. We're gonna have to somehow flip it back up so that's sitting flat. I'm getting it. Hold on, let me get a bigger one. There we go. I think she's free. So now you want to grab that side? It's just getting caught. There we go. Let's just drag it back. That's good. Now let's get our other track and put it back on. This one's gonna be a little harder. Okay, let's try it, I guess. Yep. Hold it there. Got a sledgehammer over here. You can probably relax. It needs to slide back this way a little bit.
Let's pull it out. Here.
Ready? Right there. Come on, Bessie. Come on. You're gonna have to get up. Top goes in first. Let's try that. Okay. Now we can hit the bottom end. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now we just gotta get the front on. Just try hitting it over. That's not gonna work. We gotta get the slack out of that somehow. So hit.
We rotate it, right?
Okay, keep going forward. Hold on, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, get that thing out. Okay. Stop.
We're close.
Backwards. Stop. Maybe.
Okay.
I figured you guys were using the fork. Backwards.
Backwards. Got half of it. Get ready, hold on. Backwards.
Backwards.
Backward. Backward.
Forward.
We got it.
Forward.
We have new ideas. Whoa, 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 whoa! Well, that didn't work. So we're trying to do it again, I guess you could say. Get it? Hot dog. Hot dog. That was a thrash, but we got her done. Let's see if this side can go any better. Good? Pry bar? You got it. You got it. Hot dog.
Out of roll and have your steering gear.
Want him to go forward or?
Sure, hold it.
Yep. Yep. Okay, give him a minute. Go forward. Forward.
Stop. Forward.
Forward. Halfway there. Want him to stop?
Yeah, stop.
Let him redo it.
So close.
Okay, go forward. Woohoo! Okay, you can probably shut it off and we'll get the jacks down. Now we just gotta thread our grease zerk in. This is what tightens and loosens the track. We gotta thread it in there. That way we can tighten it here in a little bit. Hopefully it threads in. It's not seeming to. Now we just gotta grease our tracks. That way it'll make them tight again. Looks pretty good. We'll just run it back and forth now just to make sure. But it should be pretty good. We're gonna leave that open just in case we have to tighten it up some more. Now we just gotta pull our jacks out. Tip up a little or push down, whichever one. Okay, whoa. Oh. Okay, you're good. Yeah, they're off the back. Now, go forward a little. Let me get these out of the way. Go forward a little. Okay, that's probably good. I think they're a little loose now. What do you think? So we gotta tighten them back up. We just got both sides tightened back up. And then we're just gonna have them back up. And then he's gonna go forward again. That way we just get them all worked in a little bit. This side's still a little loose. This side's still pretty tight, so we're gonna have to tighten that side again, it looks like. Gonna have to tighten this one more time. This side's still good, I think. Yeah, pretty good. This side's perfect, I'd say. The other side needs tightened a little bit more. You can go ahead and tighten that bolt up. But we actually got some grippers on here. Nice thick traction from what we used to have. Here's what we used to have. Not so much. We just finished up that project. I'd say it was a job well done. I don't know, I'd give it a A-. I tell you what, that was a festival. But anyways, toodles.